America is the goal. That is Lucas Coenen talking to MX Mag about his plans, or at least the direction he wants to go, with the quote saying, "America is the goal, Supercross, that's for sure." When exactly, we'll see, but the direction is crystal clear, with his brother Sasha agreeing, yes, that's the plan for both of us. First do the work here, then go to America. Now, obviously, after MX of Nations last year, they rode some Supercross, and they continued saying, quote, "We rode Supercross, soaked up the atmosphere. You know it's big, but when you're actually there and see how many people come, that's when you really get it. I restrained myself from staying too long, otherwise I almost wouldn't have come back." Now, obviously, they're super talented. They just got their big continuation with their contract with KTM, and who knows? I mean, like you said, it's not a planned thing. I mean, at least a time planned thing, but you're getting the European invasion, quote unquote. You had Vial for a couple of years, winning a couple of Supercross titles and moving back to MXGP. You obviously have Ken Roczen, who's been here for a very long time, and Jorge Prado, who's looked really good on the KTM this year before the injury. And these two are super talented, young. It would be interesting to see how this works. I mean, how many people are you going to start sending over here? There's only so many KTM rides, and it's going to be the question of when, if both of them do. I mean, obviously, there's going to be a lot of retiring soon with Tomac and Anderson and Roczen and Webb, and there's going to be a lot of people leaving. Malcolm Stewart too, all sort of in the latter stages of their career age-wise. So it's going to be interesting. I mean, obviously, you want to see the best people in the world racing. And if they can come over here and they can pick up Supercross and be competitive at it, right up on the actual tip, the fast end of things, running for podiums and wins and, being championship contenders, it's going to be only a good thing for the sport. Bad for MXGP, obviously, to lose talent, but good for American Supercross and obviously motocross, because they'd have to, but more than likely they'd be racing both genres, and they should be really good at motocross coming over from the MXGP. But I don't know. That's what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you want to see the Coenens over here? Do you care? What do you think of Supercross this year? Obviously, Daytona this weekend. Going to be awesome. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.